In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram Web directly onto your Google Chrome browser. This is a handy way to make accessing Instagram even easier and faster right from your desktop. We'll guide you through this simple process step by step, ensuring you have Instagram Web right at your fingertips. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your web browser and type in the URL bar, www.instagram.com. Press enter, and this will take you directly to the Instagram homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll want to do that now so you can have full access to all the features Instagram has to offer on the web version. Once you're on Instagram's homepage, take a look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see an icon with three little dots stacked vertically. This is commonly referred to as the three-dot menu. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with a multitude of options and settings that can be customized to enhance your browsing experience. In this menu, you'll want to focus on the option labeled Save and Share. When you hover or click on it, a submenu will appear. From here, select Create Shortcut. This option allows you to seamlessly add Instagram as a shortcut right on your Google Chrome desktop setup. After selecting Create Shortcut, you'll be prompted with a confirmation dialog box. Here, you'll see a preview of what your new shortcut will look like, and there might be an option to open the shortcut as a window. By default, it's usually set to be a tab in your browser, but you can change this to your preference if you want Instagram to open in its own distinct window. Once you've confirmed your choice, all you need to do is click the Create button. And just like that, you've successfully added Instagram Web as a convenient shortcut on Google Chrome. You'll find it in your Chrome apps or directly as an icon on your desktop, depending on how your Chrome setup is configured. This enables a quick and efficient way to access Instagram without the hassle of repeatedly typing in the URL. Now, every time you want to check out Instagram, it's just a single click away. This enhancement can save you time and streamline your browsing experience, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite Instagram features as if you were using a mobile app, but right on your desktop. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to integrate Instagram directly into your Chrome experience. We hope this tutorial makes your digital life a little bit easier and more organized. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy browsing!